Gold against US dollar this week has lost its value, starting the week here where the week has opened with a gap, and we can see a bearish breakout candle on the Friday was indication of the further decline in value, and we can see the price has reached the target. If you have watched the previous week analysis, I mentioned that I'm expecting that the price will drop down, reaching this area of support, and we can see for the 2 days the price could not manage to go below this area of support, where the price on the Monday has returned to close this gap and then drop it down again. Then on Wednesday, the price has formed a strong bearish candle going below this area of support 3314.79 and reaching the next support level 3272.61. From here, the price is bouncing from this area of support, reaching the next resistance and then again retracing back down, bouncing from this area of resistance. And on Friday, you can see a strong bullish candle where the bulls have pushed the price above this area of resistance 3314.79, reaching again a resistance level 3357.05 and making a bullish breakout, which is suggesting further rise in value. Weekly time frame shows us that we currently have a bullish candle. It is a bullish candle formed here on the chart, try to make a bullish breakout and reaching an area of resistance. Currently the price is in between this area of resistance, this area of support, so it is not very clear how the price will behave next week, which means we need to see how the Monday opens. Monthly time frame shows again indecision candle like 2 months before that, but we have a bearish pin bar here on the format on the chart. We can see that similar as a monthly before that, and 2 months before that it was indecision candle. So where the price could go, it is very important to see how the price will behave around this area of support and the resistance. What we can see here, it is a bullish momentum that is pushing the price up on the monthly time frame, where the price could not manage to go below this area of support, which means the daily support 3272.61 is a very important one level, and we can see also put this one on the visualization as a weekly and also as a monthly time frame. We can see that it is the monthly time frame that needs to be broken in order to push the price even further down. For now, this support holds, and we can see the buyers are pushing the price up, trying to make a bullish breakout, but this area of resistance around 3453, we can see it's very hard to make a bullish breakout. So we can see also put this one as a visible monthly resistance level. How the price will behave in the next month? So currently I am expecting that the price will try to reach higher price levels because of these weeks on the upper side, and currently the price is in between this area of support and this resistance. I am expecting the price will to reach higher price levels. Why? Because we can see on the daily time frame we have a bullish breakout format here on the chart, suggesting further rise in value. But I need to see how the Monday opens. Will the Monday open with a gap here, dropping down, or the Monday will open clearly here and starting to rise in value, closing the day above this area of resistance, confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one? This will be information for me that the price will try to reach higher price levels. So let's see how the Monday opens. But everything currently is pointing that we'll see gold reaching higher price levels. If there is any bullish or bearish breakouts happening on the market, is it daily time frame, is it 4-hour time frame, is it 1-hour time frame, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders. Feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders to receive these updates. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.